Hi everybody. This video goes over the new packages feature, which replaces the old fixed price feature. For those of you who used and remember the old fixed price feature, this works almost exactly the same way, but better. Packages are a quick way to add a combination of recipes and materials to an order that you already know how much you want to charge for, and you don't need to use the pricing calculator. So, a few changes that you'll notice. If I go to my recipes screen, you'll notice that on the main screen there's no longer a column for customer price. And if I open a recipe, you'll see that there is no longer a field for customer price. It used to be right down here. All of your previous recipes with a customer price can now be found under the Recipes tab on the Packages screen, which is right here next to the red package icon, and I'll go there now. Now on the Packages screen, you can see all of the same information, your servings, cost per serving, the customer price, and your package category. So the Packages feature was created because when we sell a recipe, it's very rarely only that recipe. Sometimes it's a recipe for a pie crust plus a recipe for pie filling, or a cupcake recipe plus a frosting recipe plus the packaging. So this is where you create those packages and set their prices. So I'm going to create a new package right now for brownies with cream cheese frosting. So I will name my package and pick a category for my package and click Add. With the package created, you can see the package information on the first tab. Here you could add a longer description if you like, and the number of servings, which is optional, and I'll just put 12. Right now the total cost is 0 because I haven't added anything to this package yet. So similar to the pricing calculator, I'll flip over to the Recipes tab, and from my drop-down menu of recipes, I'll select brownies and then click Add. And then I'll select cream cheese frosting and click Add. These are the only two recipes in this package, so now I'll flip over to materials. The way I sell these is in a 9x9 aluminum pan with a plastic lid, which I've previously added to my materials, so I'll select it from the drop-down menu and add it to this package. I'm also required by law to label my food, and I tie my box with a ribbon, so I will add my label and my ribbon. So now, with all my recipes and materials added to this order, I'll flip back to the Package Information tab and hit Save to calculate the total. And as soon as I click Save, you can see that the total cost and the cost per serving have been updated, and there's a summary of the recipes and materials in this package on the right side of the screen. This package costs me $15.53 in ingredients and materials to sell. The only thing left is to set your price for this package. Prices for packaged items are largely dependent on your local market and your own costs, so enter the cost you have decided to sell your item for here. I am selling this package for $30. And make sure to click Save. Now that this package is complete, I can add it to an order. So I'll go over to an order and add this package to it. Now here we are on an open order. If you had checked out the previous video on orders and using the pricing calculator, you remember that to use the pricing calculator, we click the Add Line button. But since we're adding a package, we're only going to use the Add Package button right now. To add an existing package, click the arrow by the drop-down menu by the Add Package button and select your package. I'm going to select the package I just created, brownies with cream cheese frosting, and then click Add Package. So you can see that I added to my order one package of the brownies with cream cheese frosting, and here's my cost and the cost I'm selling them for. On your line items, when you add a package, the number of servings is 1 because there is one package. If I were selling more than one package of cream cheese brownies, all I would need to do is click the Add Package button again while this item is displayed in the menu to add another line item for this package. If I need to add another line item, such as chocolate chip cookies, I can simply select it from the menu and click the Add Package button. If you need to add another custom item to this order that you need to use the pricing calculator for, you can still do that by clicking Add Line, which will open the pricing calculator.